Hi. Can I call you Chatty?
Of course. The name is very nice, I like it.
Can you tell me what changes will be made to the future landscaping design after entering the era of artificial intelligence?
AI is poised to have a significant impact on the future of landscaping design, particularly in terms of enhancing efficiency, sustainability, and creativity. First, with the help of AI, designers can better analyze site conditions and create customized landscaping solutions that are specifically tailored to a particular environment, whether it be an indoor landscape, a residential garden, or a large-scale park. AI algorithms can analyze data on soil quality, moisture levels, light exposure, and other factors to optimize the placement of plants and the overall design. We can call it precision landscaping. Second, sustainability. AI can help reduce waste by optimizing water usage and minimizing the need for pesticides and herbicides. It can also provide insight into the best practices for recycling and composting, helping designers create more eco-friendly landscapes. Virtual reality modeling. AI-powered virtual reality modeling software allows designers to create and simulate landscapes in a virtual environment, making it easier to test different design ideas and see how they will look in operation before implementing them in the real world. Plant identification. AI algorithms can help identify plant species and diagnose plant health issues, making it easier for designers to select the right plants for a particular environment and ensure they are healthy and thriving. Autonomous landscape maintenance. AI-powered robots and drones can perform routine maintenance tasks, such as mowing lawns or trimming hedges, freeing up designers to focus on more creative aspects of landscaping design. Overall, the integration of AI into landscaping design will likely lead to more efficient, sustainable, and creative solutions that better reflect the needs of the environment and the people who use them.
Thank you, Chatty. Those are all about improving efficiency. In terms of landscape conception and creation, can AI replace humans in the future?
AI can be a useful tool in assisting humans to create landscape designs, but it cannot fully replace human creativity and judgment in this field. While AI can process large amounts of data and generate design options based on certain parameters, it cannot fully capture the nuances and complexities of human perception and emotion. Landscape design requires a deep understanding of the cultural, social, and environmental context of the project, which involves subjective judgments and aesthetic preferences that may not be easily quantifiable. Moreover, AI lacks the ability to integrate multiple factors and balance competing priorities in landscape design. A human designer can take into account the needs of the client, the site conditions, the ecological impact, and the aesthetics to create a holistic and sustainable design. AI may optimize one or a few of these factors, but it may not be able to optimize them all simultaneously without human guidance. Therefore, while AI can support the design process and provide valuable insights, it cannot fully replace the creativity, judgment, and human touch that a skilled landscape designer brings to a project.
Artificial intelligence brings a lot of help and convenience to landscape design. These are likely to make landscapers gradually lack of personal experience of nature, reduce perception, and ultimately affect creativity. What do you think?
As an AI language model, I don't have personal experiences and perceptions, but I can provide a neutral perspective on this topic. It is true that the use of artificial intelligence in landscape design can provide many benefits, provide solutions for complex design problems. However, it is also possible that over-reliance on AI may lead to a lack of personal experience and creativity in landscape design. Designers may become too dependent on technology and overlook the importance of spending time in nature, observing and understanding the environment, and engaging with clients to truly understand their needs and preferences. Moreover, the use of AI may result in a homogenization of design, as algorithms tend to prioritize efficiency and standardization over individuality and creativity. This could ultimately lead to a loss of diversity and uniqueness in the field of landscape design. Therefore, it is important for designers to strike a balance between using AI and maintaining their personal experiences and creativity. They should continue to spend time in nature, engage with clients, and experiment with different design ideas to ensure that their work remains unique and innovative.
Thanks a lot, Chatty.
Thank you.